family, today I have for you 5 easy DIY fall centerpieces. Now, full disclosure, I am a 2-step DIY girl. If it calls for a saw, a drill, count me out. I'm not going past my glue gun. So I'm telling you this to say, if I can do this, anybody can. Let's start with my first easy centerpiece. Now, as you can see, I have a brown jug here resting on a wood serving board. Now, I bought this jug, I think, last year at Hobby Lobby, very inexpensive, and also the serving board that it's on. But to keep this centerpiece cost effective, I added picks that I picked up from the dollar store. And then I have little pumpkins and a gourd, and I believe I picked those up probably last year at the dollar store. I love how that turned out. Easy. Let's go to number 2. This centerpiece here, actually, as you can see, my vase filler, I used dried leaves from my yard. Then I filled that vase up, and I then added these picks. Now these picks I've had for some years, and if anybody knows what they're actually called, let me know in the comment section. I've had them for a long time, and I know there are a name for these, but I can't think of it right now. I love how that turned out. And now, as you can see, I just added it to my wooden turtle and the dried leaves and a couple artificial pumpkins to go around it. Stay with me for number 3. Now, this centerpiece that I have in the middle, as you can see, this tall vase that I picked up at my local thrift store, very inexpensive, and one of my local thrift stores, I picked up a large bag of vase filler. That is what's inside. Now, I added the vase filler. I've had these picks from another project. I added the 2 flowers, and then the picks. This is all one piece. I picked that up at my local thrift store, added to the center, and I'm loving how that turned out. And just for an extra touch, I added a green artificial swag, put the flowers in between. I have my pillar candle holders and my pillar candles on top. That's the main attraction. Stay with me, I have more. Okay, family, my 4th easy DIY centerpiece I have sitting here on top of my wooden turtle. Now, this vase here, this frosted glass vase, I love this vase. I picked it up last year, maybe a year or so, at one of my local thrift stores. And all I did was put in artificial pumpkins in different colors. And I'm loving how that turned out. Now, my 5th easy DIY centerpiece. As you can see, is a two-tiered serving tray. Now, I was thinking two-tiered. I know what's trending, and I'll show you that in a second. But I was thinking of two tiers because I could put cheese on the lower plate, put fruit on the top plate, and put dip in the center bowl. Now, let me show you what, and I actually picked these plates and bowls up at my local Dollar Tree. Now, what has been trending last year and this year that I've seen is the single tiered serving tray. And you can actually pick up, to glue your bowl to your plate, you can actually pick up the E6000 glue at Dollar Tree too. So this single serving tray is very, very inexpensive, but as you can see, very nice. Stay with me, I have more. Lastly, family, as you can see, I have two of my last year fall easy DIY centerpieces on both ends of my buffet. If you want to see the full episode of how that tablescape turned out, check with my quick takes number 7. And until next time, be blessed.